Okay, so I'm gonna be singing Frank Ocean, Swim Good. This is like the awkward turtle, which is awkward. So scares that. Yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna be singing it. Don't know the song, don't know the words, so bear with me. I'm gonna try. Yeah. But anyways, it's a freaking song. That's a pretty big chunk on my Lincoln Town car, ain't it? Big enough to take these broken hearts and put 'em in it. Now I'm driving around on the boulevard trying to squeeze in. And every time the cops pull me over, they don't never see it. They never see it. And I got this black suit on, rolling around looking ready for a funeral. 5 more miles till the road runs out. I'm about to drive in the ocean. I'm trying to swim from something bigger than me. Kick off my shoes and swim good, swim good. Take off this suit and swim good, swim good. That's all.